Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if there are planets like Earth out there? Today, scientists have discovered thousands of these planets called exoplanets. But the challenge is planets outside our solar system are incredibly difficult to see directly. They are small, distant, and hidden in the bright light of their stars. So instead of trying to see the planets themselves, scientists look for the effects those planets have on their stars. One of the most common methods used to detect exoplanets is called the transit method. This happens when a planet passes in front of its star from our point of view. When it occurs, the star's brightness drops slightly for a short period of time. By carefully measuring these tiny dips in light, scientists can detect the presence of a planet. These changes in brightness are extremely small, sometimes less than 1%. So scientists need very precise instruments to detect them. Missions like NASA's Kepler Space Telescope observe thousands of stars at once. Searching for these repeating patterns, from this data, scientists can estimate the size of the planet and how long it takes to orbit its star. Another important method is called the radial velocity method. As a planet orbits a star, its gravity causes the star to wobble slightly. Even though the star is much larger, both the star and planet orbit around a shared center of mass. Scientists can detect this wobble by analyzing changes in the star's light. When the star moves towards us, its light shifts slightly toward the blue end of the spectrum. When it moves away from us, the light shifts towards the red end. By measuring these shifts, scientists can estimate the planet's mass and confirm that it is actually there. Each of these methods provide different information. The transit method helps determine a planet's size, while the radial velocity method helps determine its mass. When scientists combine both methods, they can calculate a planet's density and begin to understand what it might be made of, whether it is rocky like Earth or gaseous like Jupiter. Using these techniques, missions like Kepler have discovered thousands of exoplanets. Some of these planets are located in what scientists call the habitable zone, where conditions might allow liquid water to exist. This is important because water is a key ingredient for life as we know it. These discoveries are helping scientists answer one of the biggest questions in science. Are we alone in the universe? We are learning that planets are not rare, they are everywhere. And among the billions of stars in our galaxy, there may be worlds very similar to our own. In the future, new technologies will allow scientists not only to detect these planets, but to study their atmospheres and search for signs of life. What was once science fiction is now becoming real science. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, some of these distant stars may have planets orbiting them, just waiting to be discovered. Thank you.